Hello everyone, today we have a question here that when you import data from Microsoft Access or XML or MATLAB or data forms, so most of the time the text numbers, serial numbers and other things, they are converted into numbers actually. How can we solve this problem? For various reasons, there are so many reasons in which we want to convert a number into a text. So here we have a series of data which we have imported from XML, and this product ID in XML, it was a text field, and now you can see that it is a number because it's on the right side of the column. So how can we convert? There are some very simple techniques of doing so. For example, you can just click and select all the numbers or all the imported the product IDs that you have imported, and Excel has automatically converted into numbers. And then go to the formatting option and click text. Simple as that. It can convert it directly. The second method is if you want to do it by a function, so we can put something like convert it here, and we would say like is equal to text is a text function is equal to text, and there's a text function. What do you want to convert to text? The serial number you want to convert to text. Text format, there are various formats, but for our requirement, we want to convert it into a zero formatting type. You can see that it is automatically converted. If you double click it, it will automatically fill all the cells with this thing. So this is a simple trick. Thank you so much for listening to this lecture, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.